start with a piece of paracord like this. The end here, you want to burn that. Grab a torch. And burn that. Don't smell that stuff. It's not good for you. Okay, you got the end burned like that. And what we're gonna do is, I had previously made some of these, as you can see at this end, with just a loop on either end. But that wasn't working very well. So what I did was, I saw a video where someone had one of these clasps here, and I rummaged through my junk drawers. I think everybody has some keychains in there. Took this off as a key ring, and we're gonna put it through there, wrap that back up nice, and have a little clasp hook. And once you do a couple RC pulls or tows, you'll understand why this is way better, because you don't want to take the little shackles off on the trail or anything like that. Anyway, let's go. This goes through here, pull it around. I'm going to use some small stainless wire. This stuff's really small, like, I don't know the size, but you can find this at like Home Depot. It's stainless baling wire. Then we're gonna take it, we're gonna wrap it around a couple times, like that. Then we're gonna twist it together to the right, like this. Okay. Clip these, some dikes or cutters, like that. But we're gonna grab that bundle and we're gonna give it a twist, and that's gonna cinch it down, just like tying some rebar together. Same technique, and it's starting to cinch that down as I twist it. It's pulling it tighter and tighter. Pull away, pull back, and twist like this. Pull back and twist. You can break this cable. Just start over if it breaks. You'll get used to it. But that's a good tie there. It's not gonna come out of there, especially once we get this shrink tube on there. Okay, now that we have our end cut off, make sure to feed. This is 1/4 inch shrink tubing I'm using, and this is a 5/32 paracord. And you can pick, they have tons of colors, awesome colors. So slide your shrink tube on first. One more time, we're gonna put our clasp through there. Just fold it over. Take our stainless wire. Little tail, and then take that heat shrink tube and slide it over there. Now the last bit of the video. Burn myself, that'd be stupid. And then this heat shrink holds really good too. The more you shrink it on there, and it's like makes a really smooth surface, and it's a nice look at the end of a little tow rope. So there's one. Let's get this side. And you know, paracord, shrink tube, the wire, and a clasp off a keychain, or you could order those. I mean, anything on Amazon. You probably order a 10-pack of those clasps. It's probably what everyone's doing when they're making these and selling these. There you go. You have a tow rope. Now this end I can fix to one of my clasps on my truck, and it'll stay in there, shackles. And then this end, I'll wrap it up, and then when I need to pull, I just quickly unwrap, And that's it. And that's how you build a 10th scale RC tow rope.
Yeah, we can use the black tape and go to, if we go to glass that, we'll take off the top. But did I show you?
There you go.
I usually
A bit too soft.
might have to glass that too. So yeah,
That's it. We got one more for the back.
probably have to glass this too. So
Here's a shot with two different versions, a short and a long one to reach the back shackles and one for the front shackles.